Benzoville believes in creativity. Benzoville is an expression of design. Benzoville is not my store. Benzoville is your store. So we are here to welcome you. Hi, my name is Akshat Bansal and a lot of my friends know me as a doodle artist or a gardener. So these are my personal passions. So I completed my engineering in 2002 and that's where I was forced by my family to join the family business in Chavli Bazaar because my father was wholesaling all the handles and so on. But at that time, some of my friends told me that in Germany and in Italy, this is the Mecca, Medina of handles, and I had no experience of traveling to Europe. But that's when I took the plunge. I told my father I have to go there, and the day I landed in Germany and Italy, and that's where I dreamt of these are the handles which will be imported in India by me one day. Today, we have two showrooms in Delhi and in Gurgaon where we have displayed over 25 brands and we have more than 20,000 products on display here. So it's a paradise and a dream come true for architects and for luxury home owners. So what are you waiting for, you guys? Visit us today. Thank you.